Meaning of hare.
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 Hare. Hare is a noun that refers to a type of fast-running mammal in the family Leporidae, characterized by long ears and powerful hind legs. These animals are known for their speed and agility, and they are often used in hunting as prey for larger predators. In popular culture, the hare is often associated with speed and energy, and it has been featured in numerous children's stories and fables. Overall, the term hare represents a fascinating and dynamic member of the animal kingdom that has captured human imagination throughout history.